It sounds unbelievable, but it's true. The biggest culprit behind this epidemic? Processed foods and sugary snacks that we consume every day without thinking twice. Let's break it down. Every time you eat something loaded with refined sugars or unhealthy fats, like that candy bar, soda, or even fast food, your blood sugar spikes. Your body struggles to manage it by releasing insulin. Over time, this constant spike and crash cycle leads to insulin resistance, the root cause of type 2 diabetes. And here's the shocking part. A recent study found that diets high in processed foods increase your risk of developing type 2 diabetes by up to 60%. That's right, the very foods that line our grocery store shelves are putting millions of people at risk. But there's hope! By cutting out these processed, sugary foods and replacing them with whole, nutrient-dense options, you can actually reverse the damage. Think about it. Every meal is a choice. Are you feeding your health or feeding disease? Whole foods like vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains help stabilize your blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and improve insulin sensitivity. In fact, people who switch to a healthier diet often see a dramatic drop in blood sugar levels and, in some cases, are even able to reduce or eliminate the need for diabetes medication altogether. Imagine solving 90% of diabetes by simply changing your diet. That's a powerful statement, and it's backed by science. Not only will you be preventing or managing diabetes, but you'll also be boosting your overall health, energy levels, and quality of life. So the next time you reach for that sugary snack, remember, you have the power to make a change. By quitting these foods, you're not just avoiding diabetes, you're taking control of your health, one bite at a time. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Small changes lead to big results. Let's make diabetes a thing of the past by making healthier choices today.